Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. A couple of creators here on YouTube, the Opinionated Horsewoman and Sunnys Place, did a live a couple of weeks ago, I think. And they were talking about the Makeup Geek grab bags. So you can get a $10 grab bag and it has 10 round pans in it. And that is a steal. I mean, that's $1 a shadow. And their shadows are really good quality. So, of course, I went on the Makeup Geek website and I ordered not one, but 2 of the grab bags. Now, as far as I know, this is a limited time offer. So, if you're interested in getting these, I wouldn't wait. You need to go ahead and grab them. So let's open the box up and see what I got. Here they are. So excited. So here are my 2 grab bags. And they sent the magnetic quad palettes to go with them. They sent 2 for each grab bag. So that is very nice that you have a little magnetic quad to put your shadows in. They were also having a sale on a couple of their brushes, so I ordered a brush. I got this nice angled stippling brush for $3. Very nice brush. The handle is nice and heavy, so that's exciting. Alright, let's open these little grab bag. It's not really a bag. Well, it is a bag. Let's open these little grab bubble bags up and see what kind of shadows I got. They've got them all bundled up. The little elastic band around them. So it looks like there are 2 foils in this pack. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This pack actually has 11 single shadows in it. 2 of them are foils. Let's see how many is in the other one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And this one also has 11, but this one has 3 foiled shadows in it. Here are the foiled shadows. So real quick, I'm going to compare the 2 to see if there are any duplicates, and I'll be right back. So I zoomed y'all in a little bit because it's easier for the camera to focus on objects, little small objects. So in these 2 grab bags, I only got 2 of the same color. So I know that there have been other people who have gotten 2 grab bags and they've gotten 5 of the same color. So I'm very lucky that I only got 2. This is one of the ones that I got a duplicate of, and this is Tinseltown. All of these little pans, they're all magnetic and they have these shade names on the back of them. And looking on the little sleeves that the shadows are in, talc is not the first ingredient. On the metallics or foils, I don't see talc listed as an ingredient at all. I'm not sure if it's on the other one. Oh yes it is. It's on the regular shades, but it's pretty far down. And Makeup Geek is a cruelty-free brand. Did I say that already? I don't know. We started with Tinseltown. That was the duplicate that I got. And then we have Prom Night, Autumn Breeze, Mirror Mirror. That's a very pretty shade. It almost looks like a little shimmer. This is Latte, Stardust. This one too looks like it's got a little bit of a shimmer in it. Leafing So Soon. That's a cute, and it almost matches my shirt. Daggone it, I'm gonna break them. This is Dreamsicle, Sand Dollar. And then the two foils are In the Spotlight. And the last one in that grab bag is Rehearsal, and this is a foiled shadow as well. All of those shades for me are all usable. They're very pretty. So let's look at grab bag number 2, which has 3 foils in it. So when I was opening up the other shadows, I realized that I in fact do have 2 duplicates, which is fine because I got 11 in each pack, so that gives me 10 originals from each pack. So the other duplicate that I found is Autumn Breeze. So in the second grab bag we have Burlesque, Artemis, Spirited, So Pale, Bottom Line, Curfew. Love that one. It's purple. And then the 3 foils. This is Nostalgia. And I love this one too. Silver Lining. Look how pretty that is. And the last foil is Solo. Very nice shades. For me, all of them are totally usable. I would use all of these shades. So I have 4 magnetic palettes. I'm going to throw those in the palettes. Try to arrange them in some way, and then I'll show them to you. So I was able to create 5 palettes with all of the single shadows that I have. 5 little quad palettes. Here's the first one. And they have the magnetic closure on them. Super cute. I love these because I can mix and match and create more to take with me if I travel. I love this one. I love that purple and I love that silver. Very pretty. This one is very pretty as well. Love that color combo together. And the green. Look at that green. So pretty. It almost matches my fingernails. And then I had an empty quad. We're not going to talk about who it belongs to. Different brand. This one is real pretty too. I love that soft, I don't know if that's a peach or an orange. That's an orange because it's Dreamsicle. This color here is an orange. I don't know if, oh yeah, the camera's picking it up. My monitor's not picking it up. That's very pretty. So there are my 5 palettes from Makeup Geek for 20 bucks. That is a steal. If you have not been to their website and picked up some of these grab bags, you should probably do that. I'm not going to do any swatches. I may do some swatches and throw those pictures up on Instagram. We'll see. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day to watch me open up all of my Makeup Geek little single eyeshadows. If you're new around here, my name is Leanna. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell so that you get notified. You want to get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you enjoyed this video and how I say notified, give me a thumbs up. It sure would make my day. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. What are we gonna tell Christopher? I'm still recording. Oh, because I'm supposed to be talking to Christopher. Oh, Christopher. Mama done forgot all about you, boo. What are we gonna tell Christopher about Makeup Geek? Christopher, see these cute little quad palettes? They're magnetic. I know you already know that because you surely watched the entire video, right? You're not just like skipping to the end to get to your tips. You're watching the whole thing so that Mama gets a watch time, right? So, magnetic palette. But you see, now that the shadows are in there, they're hard to get back out. So, you need to make sure that you put a fishing hook in your makeup bag so you can fish these suckers back out when you need to change them or when you need to see what the shade is. That's your makeup tip for today. 'Cause Mama loves you, boo.